Yeah, I know you're stressed because you want to help your mommy and take your kids out of the cold to somewhere sunny. Your baby mother no stop cause and not threaten free bring your go family code for more money. No let nothing or no one stress you out. You hear me, I tell you my youth. Want work with your one pants and shirt. Time ago come when you can buy a couple suit. I've been there before, that place called depression. I know every street, every lane. I've been there back and forth for so many years. Who feels it knows the strain. Yes, life is a journey. It comes with the rough, the smooth, the ups and downs. So just man up, you can't give up. You have to stand up. Keep your feet firm on the ground. On the battlefield, you have to fight brave like a lion. Stand firm on your feet. Can't show no sign of weakness in a Brian, or else you're gonna get defeat. Yeah man, Battlefield. Go and check it out on all downloadable platforms. Zane, stream it, add it to your playlist. You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers. You are heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Blessed man, I'm the viewers and subscribers. Blessed day. We say give thanks to the rising, give thanks for the upful, you know. Yeah man, I'm only man, well I go shites. You see it? Yeah man, blessed is the man that walk nothing else of them godless, even the seat of scornful. Yeah man. Yes, Father God, you know. Give thanks to life, give thanks to the rising. Now my viewers and subscribers, I do some local breaking news and review and research and leakage and basic. And they say Jamaica right now is about to go into the red list. You see me? Yeah, so we're up on the website, I do some research. I don't know if I do research and see what's going on and know what's going on. Not just hearsay, you see me? And it's also to my fellow Jamaicans in Jamaica. Me I cry, me I plead, me I beg you. A whole heap of information out there, but some of us, all we want to do is party. Take a time out, put some data on your phone. Maybe Google some data, just to do the research. Yeah man, a whole heap of information out there, but we are not. We're not doing it. We're just a tech web bro, I tell you know. And they are all in it, on it. The big C from way back when they go China got the meat and all of them sitting there. Zine. And they've been waiting for this. China have been waiting for this for years. To conquer, take over Jamaica. Because you know so Jamaica is a powerful spiritual country. Gifted. When it comes to spirituality, you know what I mean? Football, talents, running, food, natural resources. You see, the cockpit country. Them offer all of those stuff. You know, I'm going to see Tanto Blacks do a thing where they attack, and I respect that. So everybody for us come out and talk. Who have the power, you know, we have the power. Remember, we vote them in. Without our vote, yeah, you see me? Yeah. But my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my fellow Jamaicans, my lion and my lioness, I just want to do some research and pick sense out of nonsense. Why the point I got to take the two sitting, the two job, you still can't go nowhere. Still can't do certain things. You can't prevent you from catching it nor avoiding it or giving it to someone, spreading it. Right now if you're in a red list country, and this is a serious information to anybody who planning to go to Jamaica. Yeah, if you're in a red list country right now and you're coming back to the UK, you have to go book yourself in one of them hotel, monitored hotel where you're being monitored. Zine, and book 2 more tests, 3 tests actually. Zine, one when you left Jamaica, because Jamaica gone on the red list right now, a problem. So all of them flight the way. You know, right now my brethren want to bury him father and my fret right now because the red list country coming back £1,500 for 10 days booking a hotel. And if you try to go around that, you're running the risk of being charged over up to £10,000 or 10 years in prison. strict. That's why they want you to book into one of their monitored hotels, place where they can for the 10 days when you come back from a red list country. So if Jamaica going to the red list right now, it's wicked. Yeah, man. The fellow Jamaicans want to wake up and do the research. Bro, God, no meaning no good enough. Bro, God, no, so they're sitting down there for a long time, the variants. But because he's all about this money, and they want him friend them to keep them party, like the Dream Weekend, and then one where they go on where they. Remember the first big event where them keeping or shouldn't keep, you know? And then you say spike. See? Then you say spike. But through we come on the event for keep then him friend them get where all them do a charge them and look up silly sitting, but what? Bad boy whichever them charge him 100 grand and so forth other people. But for them friend get away with leniency. And now you come in Dream Weekend again. After Dream Weekend done him locked down the place. You see him birthday, anniversary or whatever, open up the place. After that, lock it down back. You see me? You see some man take on feed that. The man get too much big grant to give to the workers them and the low business them. Say for shop, I look a small business have 5 staff. Them get money to get all of them. And nothing him no do. Now come let me get angry. See? You know, see, so you for wake up my viewers and subscribers. Please, me I beg you, wake up, my fellow Jamaicans, come out and march and do the thing. See, freedom of speech, you know, the human rights. Use it up, know it and use it up. You see me, you see all Cecile and Scatter. Well, I expect better from Scatter. But see Cecile, we are burn the fire, I'm lose off her. She run, go and take it, but she's going to regret it. Yeah, man, make sure see that video here too. My viewers and subscribers, I don't know a lion foot over there. Big up on the jam self, all the love. See, stay safe, positive, righteous. Morning?
Yes, morning,
yeah,
man.
Morning. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know. See you on the next side. See? All the love. Love on you, know. Stay safe. Do the right thing. Alright? Manners. Go shots.
If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? Your claims that people are what? Chat, judge and criticize you. So what?
I'm Lavia Doreen from Uganda. I'm 27 years old. I have an orphanage which cares for children, for orphaned children, elders. We kindly request for any support. We don't have basic needs. For example, housing, education, food, clothing, and medical care. So in case anyone there has the ability to support us, we kindly request for the support. And my WhatsApp number is +256 752 34 08 57. Thank you very much. We really appreciate for the support. Thank you. We love you.
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.